Okay, so it's time to stack and finish this two-tiered green cake. My cake layers have been chilling and they have their paint, and I've already dowed this. Now I have this 5-inch sitting on another board. There's a cardboard round underneath the cake, and then this is just to keep it, to move it around and store it. Now remember, you want to find where the front of your cake is going to be. So right there's the front of my bottom tier. Figure out where the front of your top tier is going to be. Right there, I think. Okay. Then I'm just going to get this off of here. Have this cake ready. Got my parchment circle ready to go. I just saved the parchment that I used to mark the bottom tier. Cut it out of that. It's going to go right on there. Make sure you center it. Then it can go back up on our turntable so that we can finish piping. And so there's this edge down here on the bottom of the top tier, but that's going to get covered up because remember, I told you to save the buttercream. I'm going to finish that bottom tier now that the top tier is on.